never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
The Nissan Sunny's arrival in Qatar in 2025 is avidly anticipated by automotive devotees and enthusiasts alike, who are excitedly anticipating its premiere on the lively streets of the vivacious Gulf nation. The excitement is tangible. The Nissan Sunny, anticipated as one of the most highly anticipated automotive releases in recent memory, is poised to revolutionize the sedan segment with its unparalleled performance, advanced technology, and cutting-edge design. Nissan Sunny makes a daring statement on the road with its streamlined and aerodynamic exterior, which emanates sophistication and style. Nissan's dedication to challenging the limits of automotive design is evident in its unique silhouette, which attracts attention. Everything about the Nissan Sunny's exterior has been meticulously designed to evoke a sense of timeless elegance, from its dynamic proportions to its sculpted lines. Upon entering the Nissan Sunny, you are welcomed by a luxurious and expansive interior that provides an ideal combination of convenience and comfort. The Nissan Sunny offers a refined and comfortable driving experience for all occupants, whether you are on a road journey across the arid landscape or traversing the congested streets of Doha. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to improve your voyage, from state-of-the-art amenities to premium materials. However, the Nissan Sunny's genuine essence is concealed beneath its exterior, where cutting-edge technology and innovative engineering combine to provide an unparalleled driving experience. Powered by a variety of responsive and efficient engines, the Nissan Sunny provides exceptional fuel efficiency and performance, enabling you to navigate the open road with ease and confidence. The Nissan Sunny's sophisticated safety features ensure that you are at ease throughout your journey, whether you are navigating metropolitan traffic or traveling along coastal highways. The Nissan Sunny is engineered to ensure the safety of you and your loved ones in any driving situation, with intelligent driver assistance systems and robust passive safety features. However, the Nissan Sunny is not merely a mode of transportation, it is a reflection of your lifestyle and personality. With an extensive selection of accessories and customization options, it is possible to customize your Nissan Sunny to align with your individual preferences and interests. The decision is yours to make, whether you favor a sporty exterior with striking accents or a refined interior with premium finishes. The anticipation of the Nissan Sunny's introduction in Qatar is intensifying among both automotive devotees and consumers. The Nissan Sunny is on the brink of leaving a lasting impression on the streets of Qatar and beyond, thanks to its exceptional performance, advanced technology, and innovative design. In summary, the Nissan Sunny's forthcoming release in Qatar in 2025 is a significant milestone for the automotive industry and Nissan. The Nissan Sunny is poised to revolutionize the sedan segment and captivate drivers worldwide with its groundbreaking design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance. The Nissan Sunny has something to offer for everyone, whether you are attracted to its streamlined exterior, luxurious interior, or impressive array of features.
No, I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta